Guys, welcome to Profit Adda. Today I'm just gonna show you how you can exactly create or say develop a candlestick chart or say stock chart you want to exactly. And some of the datas are there which little datas will be there, so you don't have to do any extraction. You just want to read that data in candlestick chart or say stock chart or any of the charts. And I just came up with the C sharp programming. You can, with the help of this, you can exactly can read charts. Okay, some of the using datas like open, low, high volume. Some of things which you come across, like you want to read this particular date and say this is a open, this is a low, this is a high, this is a volume, and exactly you want to analyze manually. So I just came up with this candlestick chart. With the help of this, you can exactly manually read, and with the help of chart, with various chart, you can analyze your data. So this is basically this is I just created in the name of Nifty stock chart. So you can exactly can go with any of the stock prices, say crude, gold, or anything. You just go with it. So this is of my programming. Okay, so this is my program which I'm just showing you. In this main thing is your database connection is required to show up the this data load and save, and have to show you this data. So basically database connection is very much required. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I've done. I've just took this form just I took, and I just took it this candlestick chart. I just show you how here where I'm exactly taking this charts. I just show you the properties where I'm exactly so many options are available in the Visual Studio C sharp. So you can exactly can, with the help of this, say this is chart type will be there. So I'm just using candlestick, and so many various, like you can use this. So many charts of options are available there. So with the help of it, you can exactly can analyze those datas. You can go like Kagi, 3 line break, Renko, and everything. You can, with the help of this, you can exactly can analyze. And C sharp gives so many is like charts available. So with the help of it, you can do it. So basically if you go with the stock, so like this charts will be there, and go with the pie, so like this, and so many of available it is. And say I just go with a candlestick because I like this. So stock charts will be there. So exactly you can, with the help of it, you can do so many stuffs and can analyze the data in manual. Okay, so you just got the data of crude oil and so particular date you want to analyze, and you can go with this, like and just ID, like column will be there, open, close, high, low, which is what is the day. So you can just go with that one and can do some stuff. So basic is required, you some database connection is required. So I just go with the database connection. I'm just gonna show you how exactly data came up with this database connection. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do. Say I just take data service based database dot mdf. Okay, and I just go with the server explorer database mdf, and exactly I'm just refresh it, and then table, I'm just have to create the table, I have to add the table, and then I'm gonna add this new table in this format. So I just give with the ID, just say open, and then I'm go with this decimal 18 comma 0, 18 comma 2. I'm just gonna go with this, and then I'll just give close, and so like this I'm going to create open, close, high, and with the ID I'm just going with the column. And the next is like I'm going with the low, and you can create the volume also. You can go with the volume also as you feel free about to do. So this is a basic data connection which I am showing, and basic codes will be available below description. I've given the code, you can go through and copy my code, and you can exactly can construct your this form of applications with the help of Windows form applications. So I'm just updated here, I'm just creating of that. With help of that, I'm just update my database. So this is a basic important part, and else everything is like you can do by yourself. There is no such a this thing. So I've just connected here. So I just go with the new data sources. So I'm just gonna check whether it is like included everything. So I just go with the table stocks and just I include, say I just say database and finish it off. So everything is done here. I think I just go with the solution explorer and I just check with this database. Everything is I've just auto increment true and then set this -1 value to positive values and then rebuild. Okay, and this rebuild if I do, and yeah, as you can see it is succeed. So everything is done and everything is corrected, and this you have to choose these data sources, stocks, so include, so you can get this database connection. Everything is done. So as you can see, I've just taken the form, this connection I've done, this database connection form in which I've just extracted this particular charts. For charts available will be there, so you can exactly can go with this one, and say two buttons are there, say load and save. So you can go with this for anything like you just printed you just manually entered say load and then save, and exactly you can view your data. So that's it, and these codes are available. So for this for construction of this you can go with this. Charts will be available there. So with the help of toolbox I've created everything. So you can go with this and can extract with all those say database you want to do these stuffs and this chart. So exactly you can extract this thing. As you can see, I just show you the properties what I am really doing here. So this is a data visualization tool. For the chart purpose you can use this. So you can, for like data visualization charts, you can use this, say, so charting for purpose. So that's it, and everything will be available on the below description. I've just given it. So I'm just gonna show you how exactly can this work. So I just run this and it is what succeeded. Everything is succeeded, I think. Yeah, so I got this one. So basically first column, say open, I just give any of the stock prices. Say if I take with like ACC cement, say open, and this close is like it has been done on 42, and high has been like made 43, and low has been made like with the 40, and day is particularly I go with like particular this date only, say 2017, and then next column I just go with an open, then same prices. It has been like open at 42 itself, then close at 41, then high has been particularly it has been gone with the 44, and then low it has done with the 42, and it has been included in the next day. Okay, and then I just go with the next prices. So I'm just including this, and then if I'll say with like it has been opened on the 43 and has been closed on 42, and high has been made like 46, and low is like it has been done on 41, and it has been done, everything is on like next day. So I'll just go with the next day, and particularly I just go with one more column, and this time just open is like with the close I just go with 42, and close is like it has been done in 41, like high is 45, and low has been made, low is like same as the close. So here I done, I just load this data and particularly save this data. So as you can see, this particularly candlestick chart has been I am loaded so small data, so you can do this stuff and can go with this load and can exactly can view your prices here. This candlestick, as you can see, it has been made very much impact at first one, and then it has been as you can see very much like less impact. So you can go with this thing and can analyze more and can use various charts. This is just a demo part, so just manually how you can do. Okay. Okay guys, so I wind it up here. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please do comment, and if you are facing any difficulty, please let me